In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round off in Zoho Books. If you're trying to make your sales transactions a bit more streamlined and easier to manage, implementing a rounding rule can be a great way to simplify your billing process. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to adjust the settings in Zoho Books to automatically round your sales totals to the nearest whole number. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's navigate to the right place in your Zoho Books account. Begin by going to the Settings menu. You'll usually find this option right on your dashboard. It's often represented by a gear icon, which makes it pretty easy to spot. This section of your account is where all the customization magic happens, allowing you to configure everything just the way you like it. Once you're in Settings, direct your attention to the Preferences category. Here, click on the General tab. Within this area, you'll find various settings that govern the overall behavior of your account, so it's a useful section to be familiar with. Now, it's time to scroll down a bit until you reach the Rounding Off in Sales Transactions section. This is where you're going to set up your rounding rules. It's carefully designed to ensure that your sales transactions can reflect a more straightforward, rounded number, effectively helping avoid minor discrepancies and making invoices look cleaner. For rounding off your sales transactions, select the option that reads Round off the total to the nearest whole number. This setting will instruct Zoho Books to automatically adjust your sales totals so that they round to the nearest integer, eliminating those pesky decimal points that can clutter invoices. After you've set that rounding option, remember to make it all final by clicking Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that your changes are applied and stored in the system. You wouldn't want to go through these steps only for nothing to change, right? By clicking Save, you solidify the new settings in your account, ready to be applied to subsequent transactions. And there you have it, a much neater way of handling your sales transactions. By rounding off to the nearest whole number, your invoices and reports will not only appear clearer, but also facilitate smoother communication with your customers. They'll likely appreciate the clearer billing just as much as you enjoy the simplicity. That's all for today. Be sure to explore other settings in Zoho Books for even more customization options. With these tools at your disposal, creating a seamless and efficient accounting process is well within your reach. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.